Audio Jungle.
छोड़िए, let us what जो पीसीसी प्रेसिडेंट बोले हैं, आपका वो जो आप बोल रहे थे, लेट मी ऑल्सो आंसर इट। कोई सीनियर पार्टी छोड़ के जाने से कांग्रेस पार्टी का ऊपर उसका कोई प्रभाव नहीं पड़ेगा। कांग्रेस पार्टी हैज क्रिएटेड मेनी लीडर्स and it has been proved time and again. Anybody leaving Congress party has become zero. Many leaders who has left Congress party in all over the country, in Telangana also, now they are in line to join again in Congress party. So Congress party is not brother who is leaving the party. Rather, you will see, I have said how many person have joined, and near future also many important person are joining in Congress. Now question is, आज भी अखबार में एक आया है, हमने 4-5 दिन से केसीआर को पूछ रहे थे, अब क्यों डिजल्व कर रहा है 9 महीना पहले? What is the reason? Tell to the people. जो इमरजेंसी में चाहे अर्थक्वेक हो, साइक्लोन हो, फ्लड हो, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन हो, माओ रिलेटेड वायलेंस हो, या असेंबली में कम संख्या है, गवर्नमेंट इज इंस्टेबल, द गवर्नमेंट इज डिसॉल्व्ड। काल प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में ये बात बोला है कि कांग्रेस की लोग हमारा खिलाफ में कैंपेन किए, गवसिन, इसलिए हम डिजॉल्व कर दे। तो जैसे बोलते हैं ना मंकी, हमारा एक बोलते हैं हनु जब मरता है तो सच बोलते हैं। मंकी का जब डेथ टाइम आता है, he tells, he speaks the truth. I think he has spoken the truth because the time of the era of KCR is ending. Can you imagine a chief minister with thumping majority of 100 MLA is afraid of Congress party, is afraid of Rahul Gandhi program, and he is telling, because Congress party campaign against my government, I dissolve that. That itself indicates he is afraid of Rahul Gandhi, he is afraid of Congress party, he is afraid of Congress campaign, and he is afraid of losing his support base rapidly. That's why he has gone to the election that he admitted. Coming back to a chief minister, I have a mobile, a photo I can show you, where KCR himself is taking the blessing. इसको बोलते हैं ना, बोलते हैं कि हम किसी का गुलाम नहीं, मगर पद लेने करने का तो फोटो है। सोनिया गांधी का पद छू के नमस्कार करने का राहुल गांधी के पास खड़ा है तो फोटो है। जो आदमी पद छू के प्रणाम करने का साथ साथ आशीर्वाद लेके कांग्रेस में ज्वाइन करके पार्टी को डिजॉल्व करने के लिए चाहते हैं, आज ये अगर राहुल गांधी को बोलते हैं इज द बिगेस्ट बफून, people, I am not telling, people are thinking either ये person is not a mentally stable or a person who is intoxicated can tell like that. Because I can say a person, chief minister, because we have all respect for him, we have never used any derogative word. As you have seen, I have not a single personal word I have said against his family. बट 4 साल मुख्यमंत्री बनने के बाद एक आदमी अगर सेक्रेटेरिएट को नहीं जाता इस डर में कि दोबारा मुख्यमंत्री नहीं बनेगा या कहीं वाइस रेड्डी जैसे कहीं एक्सीडेंट हो जाएगा, कोई जो चीज बोल दिया, डू यू थिंक एनी बिगेस्ट बफून वुड बी फाउंड इन द वर्ल्ड देन दिस चीफ मिनिस्टर? आई एम टेलिंग इट बिकॉज ऑफ द रीजन. टेल मी a chief minister in all over the country, all over the world, who has not gone to the chief minister office with the apprehension that he will not be elected again. Some Jyotisha astrologer said, could we find a person in whole of the world? Could we find a person in whole of the world because of the astrology prediction, he will demolish the secretariat and try to start a departmental store and spending thousands of crores on sit in the secretariat? Can you find a chief minister who is doing the yajnas, spending crores of 100 crores of rupees for the development of the party in the state? I am asking him, let him reply. If he has the guts to reply. 3 बार मोदी को 1 महीना में भेंट किया. What you have brought for Telangana? What you have brought for Telangana? फेडरल फ्रंट करके मोदी का खिलाफ में जा रहे थे. अभी 3 बार मोदी को भेंट किया. Whether the right given by the State Bifurcation Act, जो हाई कोर्ट को अलग करना है, इंडस्ट्री को अलग करना है, जो करना है, ये सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट से मिला है? कोई स्पेशल बजट सपोर्ट मिला है? या इरिगेशन प्रोजेक्ट को जैसे पोलाभरम को नेशनल प्रोजेक्ट डिक्लेयर किया है, एनी प्रोजेक्ट डिक्लेयर्ड इन द नेशनल प्रोजेक्ट? क्या मिला है आपको तेलंगाना को? लेट हिम रिप्लाई आल्सो. मोदी का साथ फ्रेंडशिप करके तेलंगाना को क्या मिला है? नेशनल प्रोजेक्ट मिला है, हाईकोर्ट मिला है, इन्वेस्टमेंट कितना है? बोलते थे कि जोर देंगे. लेट हिम आंसर. What is the total money invested in these 4 years? I am from Odisha. You know what is the investment in Odisha? Although my opposition party is in government, but because where there is mines, water and port, investment is there more than 4 lakhs crore. 4 lakhs crore. What is the investment in Telangana? ट्रम्प का लड़की आके या आपका हमारा कोई प्रेसिडेंट का लड़की आके कोई आके अगर बोलेगा लेट ही मस्ट आंसर व्हाट इज द टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट इन तेलंगाना आफ्टर ही टुक ओवर, व्हाट ही गेन आफ्टर मीटिंग मोदी, हाउ मेनी एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी ही हैज क्रिएटेड एंड व्हाट ही हैज डन फॉर द 1200 स्टूडेंट्स हु कमिटेड सुसाइड, व्हाई देयर इज नो पेंशन फॉर द right to Bandhu, why there is no grant for the 40% of tenant workers, and why, how many 2-bedroom he has handed over? He must reply these questions and reply on why reason before 9 months he is going for the election. So far the Congress is concerned, we are ready for the election. The executive committee decided today to work detail as he has said for the voter list enrollment, revision and prepared all the candidates. We are expecting that very soon because that's their individual party. Regional party is an individual family party. Ours is a national party. We have the procedure committees after going through and suggestion of the president and all other senior leaders. We will very soon declare all the committees and candidates. We have constituted a committee for alliance, myself, PCC President, Working President, Self-Leader and Self-Leader Council. They will go into the details and I can, because at the national level Rahul Gandhi also has said to unite the opposition, here also we will also try to take the like-minded person but not accepting KCR and his associates and also BJP. But this committee will go into the details and take a decision in that regard. But the question is now, as I have said, by dissolving the assembly, KCR has already declared the end of KCR era. He is only 4 years chief minister. His personality cannot be compared with the Jyoti Basu, who was 28 years chief minister, or Sikkim chief minister maybe 25 years. Even Naveen Patnaik, our opposition party chief minister, is 18 years. So only 4 years chief minister, I think, but he must amend himself while making a comment regarding a national leader who is the president of 133 years old Congress party, and he must also not forget that Congress party Sonia Gandhi has in Telangana. I think we all expect to get the support of all the journalists, media and Telangana people to actually give the right to Telangana people, samajik, social justice and also what he called Bangaru Telangana, which he cannot give. Congress can give Telangana, Congress will also give Bangaru Telangana if the election get support of the people.
ఏంటండి వీడియో నచ్చిందా? అయితే ఓ లైక్ వేసుకోండి, లేదంటే ఓ కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఎప్పటికప్పుడు మా వీడియోస్ చూడాలంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.